Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint your MatchaIN ID. First, we'll cover the essential preparations you need to make, ensuring you have everything ready before you begin. Then, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of interacting with the MatchaIN platform to successfully create your unique digital identity. Finally, we'll discuss how to verify your new ID and what to do after it's minted, ensuring a smooth experience. Before you start minting, it's crucial to prepare. Make sure your digital wallet is securely connected and has sufficient funds to cover any transaction fees. Collect all the necessary personal or entity information and any supporting documents you might need for verification. Always double-check the current gas fee requirements on the MatchaIN platform to avoid any surprises during the process. Now, let's dive into the minting process itself. Begin by navigating to the dedicated MatchaIN ID minting section on the platform. Carefully input all your unique identification data as prompted. If required, upload any verification files to support your identity. Finally, review all the details one last time and approve the transaction securely through your connected digital wallet. Once you've completed the minting steps, it's important to confirm everything. Check your MatchaIN account to ensure your ID has been successfully minted. You can also verify its details on a blockchain explorer for complete transparency. Take some time to understand how to manage your new digital identity and explore the various ways you can utilize your MatchaIN ID within the ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.